The Mazda 3 is a compact car that has been produced by Mazda since 2004. The first-generation Mazda 3 was introduced as a replacement for the Mazda Protege and was designed to provide a sporty and stylish alternative to other compact cars. The Mazda 3 quickly gained popularity for its agile handling, responsive steering, and powerful engine options. It was also praised for its sleek and modern design, which featured a bold front grille, swept-back headlights, and a sloping roofline. In 2009, Mazda introduced the second-generation Mazda 3, which featured a more refined and sophisticated design. The new Mazda 3 also introduced a number of advanced safety features, including electronic stability control and a rear-view camera. In 2014, Mazda introduced the third-generation Mazda 3, which featured a more dramatic and emotional design. The new Mazda 3 also introduced a number of advanced technologies, including a new infotainment system and a range of fuel-efficient engine options. Today, the Mazda 3 is considered one of the best compact cars on the market, thanks to its engaging driving dynamics, premium interior, and advanced safety features. It is available in a range of trim levels, including the Sport, Touring, and Grand Touring, and can be equipped with a variety of engine options, including a 2.0-liter four-cylinder and a 2.5-liter four-cylinder. The Mazda 3 is a compact car that has been produced by Mazda since 2004